Alright, well, I got my Osmo Action here. I dropped it in a cup of coffee. You know, it's waterproof, right? Not coffee proof, I guess. Yeah, it was never waterproof. Out of the box it leaked. And I was very careful, you know, I knew about the little, make sure that, you know, the little red things weren't showing, and the door leaked, the battery leaked. Plus, I bought this thing, and you know, oh, register, you know, you start it up and register. Well, come to find out, after about 3 times of starting it up, it frickin' bricked me out until I registered. It's like, you're gonna brick me out of my camera, standalone device. Yeah, a lens cap. I don't know if I wanna. I don't know if I need to take that out or not. Voila. Yeah, delete. Is that all of them? That's all of them. Holy smokes. The greenness of it all. Are you green? The heck kind of connector is that? I forget. It's not easy being green. Oh, no, it's just a regular. Boy, more screws. Boy, lots of greenness in here. Look at all that. Ew. Ew. No good. Hey, that's kind of cool. Ew, nasty. Ew, that ain't good. That's kind of cool. Little heat transfer tube. Well, we'll clean that up too. Holy moly, ew, this is like no good. Yeah, most all these are just lift off. So far, no snaps. Is there another screw hiding? Has to be.
Move forward. Headlights up. We're off.
There's one of them little, another connector under that. It's like connectors galore. Aha, there's our, I knew there was another screw. You know, they put all these things in there just because they know they're gonna miss this screw. is this? Oh. Just lifts off. None of them silly snaps. They all lift off. Voila. Look at that. Yeah, I guess we'll find some cleaning stuff and get scrubbing. We'll look at her under this microscope. Yeah, this is like uber nastiness. That's some thermal paste. It's definitely got some contamination going. Amberella. We will try to keep this stuff from underneath it. Damn, these resistors. These are like 1005s, man. They're like... Because, I mean, this is a 25 gauge needle. So it's about it's less than a half a millimeter. It's like 0.4 millimeters. So these are like 0.4 by 0.2. That's incredibly small. They keep getting smaller. I'm gonna have to get a bigger scope. We got a little crud. Oh yeah, I remember this. That's from the factory. That's like screw damage. Focus. But yeah, screw damage. It hit this trace. Maybe if I'm exciting, I'll... Yeah, we'll just soak her down and... What? Gently brushing, I think, is going to be the key here. It seems to be stuck on really nice. I wonder if that battery's any good. Let go. Ooh, it is flat. 0, 0, 0. Oh, no, hold on. It twitched a little. 140, 50, 150 millivolts. Ooh, it's up to 152. It's climbing. Must have had it shorted out with the lead. Oh shoot, it's flying, man. 160, yeah, it flattened out at 164 millivolts. So yeah, that battery's history. Well, that's that side. We'll clean up. Now have a coffee break. Reload my cleaning solutions. Alright, well, what do we got going on here? Looks overall pretty clean. We got a little crud here in the corner. Yeah, look at that. That would literally fit inside the needle. Gosh, shouldn't have ate that burrito, man. Was it was an enchilada or some shit? That'll teach me. Oh, it's that time of day. Okay, just stop. My hands are full. I am not stopping what I am doing. Okay, I gotta go kill that alarm. Oh yeah, check all these ribbon cables. Yeah, this goops every fucking where. Those look pretty good. Those look pretty good too. I'll just give them a squirt. Well, got our pile of parts. Ooh, we got some Arctic silver. Which would be better than that blue stuff that was probably on there originally. Can we get this back in there? Okay, you need 3 hands. Oh shit. CNN's fact-checking Harris. They don't know where to go. I'm getting this in there the right direction, ain't I? No, I'm not. Minor details. Imagine that. Socialists eating their own. Who'd have thought? There's that picture of Stalin on his boat, and he's got like a half a dozen dudes standing around him, and each subsequent picture has like one less dude standing around him. It's like picking a lock. Get all the tumblers in place. It's like wrangling a frickin' octopus. We got in right. No, here we are again. Put her in the wrong way. Wrong hole, wrong hole.
New Jersey. Go ahead. Suspicious activity near the Home Depot. Caller was in his vehicle in the cul-de-sac near the Home Depot in a black Toyota Tacoma. What I will look at as a passenger seat of a white Dodge. Truck is trying to open the passenger door. When she
Ow.
opened there, she got back into that truck with the driver and they left the area. But
I think we
they were
will
driving around the Home Depot parking lot, left for a second,
cheat.
and then came back to where the truck was. The caller has left the area when they came back, but it seemed like it was.
I guess I need to pull them screws out so I can put the heat sink on. Minor details, eh? Make sure it's still on there.
They're all hooked in. I gave Rob discretion. Let him switch seats.
Well, here we go.
It's gonna be code 12.
Is the battery dead? That's no good. Either forgot something or I broke it cleaning it. Well, I haven't got all the screws back in it yet. Maybe it'll work this time. Oh, now we're getting back to that. It was working a minute ago. Okay, we'll go. Something going weird with the connectivity. Something's loose. And binding up. We got a front screen. Oh, need to take her apart again and figure out what is the deal. Kevin. That's what this is for. Okay, battery is low, shutting down. Woohoo, anglais. Wonder bar. Woohoo, front screen. Can record. Yeah, big old hole in the screen here too. Oh well. Enough of this.